This is our newest intelligent product, the S3XY Strip. It's designed to bring not only elegance, but also an extra layer of safety to your Tesla driving experience. In this video, I will do a full unboxing and show you how to install it in the newest Model 3 and Y and also their predecessors. So let's dive in. When you open the box, you immediately see the controller placed in the center. This is the tool that communicates with your car. Later in the video, I will show you how to install it in your Tesla. The controller is surrounded by our RGB strip, which comes in two different lengths, one for the new Model 3 and Y and a slightly shorter one for the legacy models. Underneath, you will find an OBD adapter, spare double-sided tape, a pry tool and a piece of Velcro. If you think we forgot to add the second piece, don't worry, it's already attached to the back of the controller. We've done this so you can easily mount it inside your right A-pillar and keep everything organized. Let's start with the controller. The installation process is the same whether your Model 3 or Y was built in 2021 or 2025. First, remove the rubber door seal all the way back. Then, using the provided pry tool, remove the side cover starting from the glove box area and working your way up until it clicks out. Put this piece aside. Next, remove the pin that holds the panel in place. Pull out the entire L-shaped piece starting from the bottom. If the clips are too tight, use the pry tool for leverage next to each pin. Once the panel is out, locate two ports, one for powering the controller, the same on all Model 3 and Ys from 2021 onward, and the freestanding OBD plug, which may be right in front or slightly hidden behind the cables. Sometimes it's even blue, depending on what Tesla used at that time. Disconnect the power cable, then daisy chain our connectors into it. Plug the male OBD port into the Tesla's female port. The controller should start flashing immediately, meaning you are all set. If you already have another gadget installed, like our sexy commander, just daisy chain both OBD cables together as shown on the screen. Both products will work without issue. Now let's plug the light strip into the controller to make sure it powers on. Great, let's move to the easier part, gluing the S3XY Strip. We design our products to be simple to install. I'll first show you how to place it in the legacy Model 3 and Y and then on the newer Highland and Juniper models. For pre-refreshed Teslas, the strip is slightly shorter due to two small bumps at each side of the air vent. These bumps prevent using the entire span, but it's only a couple of inches that won't be illuminated, and you can actually use them as guides for positioning. Here's a tip: if you have a friend nearby, ask them to hold one side of the strip while you position it, it makes things easier. First, clean the inside top part of the vent with a wet wipe to ensure good adhesion. Then turn off the air vent so the airflow doesn't weaken the glue. Remove about 1/3 of the tape cover from the left side and carefully place the strip against the bump we mentioned earlier, making sure the diffuser is about 1 mm inside the edge of the vent. If it sticks out, it won't be visible during very sunny days. Once aligned, press firmly, sliding your thumb along as you go. After securing the first part, peel another third of the tape and continue behind the screen, following a straight line. Keeping the strip powered on helps you see in real time if all diodes are aligned evenly. Finally, remove the remaining tape and secure the strip all the way to the right side bump. If you are not happy with the result, you can remove it, replace the tape with the spare one from the box and try again. For the updated Model 3 and Y, the process is even easier. The strip is longer and covers the entire vent, sitting right on the fabric. Clean the surface, turn off the vent, then measure 2 cm or 0.8 inches from the dash edge. That's where the strip should start and end. Once the strip and the controller are in place, the last step is hiding the wires and reassembling the panels. On older Model 3 and Y, simply lift the dash slightly and tuck the wire into the gap. Then reconnect it to the controller and reassemble the right A-pillar. Place the L-shaped piece, lock in the pin, reattach the triangular cover, and finally reinstall the rubber seal from the bottom to the top. The finished result looks like it came from the factory. On the new Model 3 and Y, cable routing is slightly different. One option is to use a large zip tie and route the cable through an opening toward the dash top, but this requires unclipping part of the fabric piece, which we will cover in a separate video. The easier option we recommend is routing the cable directly into the right A-pillar, keeping it flush with the dash. You can use a small piece of double-sided tape to keep it in place. Once tucked in, reassemble the parts in the following order. Start with the L-shaped piece, then the pin, the triangular part, and the rubber seal. The final look from the driver's seat is seamless. With installation done, let's download the S3XY app and start customizing. Go to the strip section and press connect. A prompt might ask you to double press the right scroll wheel to confirm you are in the car and prevent outside tampering. Once paired, you see the S3XY Strip home screen, where you can set the default color and brightness. You can also pick any color from the wheel or swap to animations like the rainbow effect. More effects will be added with future over-the-air updates, and you can suggest new ones in our Discord channel. In the light effects section, you will find all available features. New features will be marked with a blue dot. For example, with the turn signal alerts, you can customize color, effect style like loading animation or fade in. You can even set the offset, like making the turn signals 10% brighter than your default strip color. Every feature follows the same principle, so you can tweak it until you make the perfect setup. If your strip ever misbehaves, a quick reboot or factory reset usually solves it. So, just go to the settings in the app and press Reboot Strip. We'll continue to improve the S3XY Strip with your feedback, so don't hesitate to leave your comments in this video. And that's it. If you like what you saw today, go to enhauto.com or click in the description of this video to get your S3XY Strip today. See you in the next one.